When it comes to understanding the female mind and body, psychology reveals some fascinating insights. On average, women are naturally more adept at reading facial expressions, which makes them exceptional at detecting emotions in others, even when surrounded by people who mask their feelings. Biologically, men have an innate drive to protect women, especially when they sense vulnerability. This instinct is deeply embedded in their DNA. Interestingly, women are more likely to pretend in bed when they're deeply in love, not to deceive, but to preserve the emotional bond. Women often prioritize emotional intimacy over physical connection, which can contrast with the tendencies of men who might lean towards the latter. Studies show that women are more likely to remember how an event made them feel rather than the specific details. So, if she can't forget that argument from last year, it's likely because the emotions still resonate with her, even if the words have faded. Ever heard that the way to a man's heart is through his stomach? Well, science backs that up. After a meal, men are more prone to feeling romantic, so yes, food truly is a love language. Women, on the other hand, may interpret silence as a sign of disinterest, while men might just be taking a mental break. Women's brains have more gray matter in areas related to social cognition and memory, making them excellent multitaskers. Men, however, are generally better at tasks that require physical coordination due to their stronger white matter connections. Visually, men tend to focus on physical appearance first, driven by their brain's wiring. Women are more likely to experience the height of pleasure when they feel a deep emotional connection with their partner. Moreover, women often daydream about future scenarios with their partners, which helps strengthen emotional ties. Did you know that a woman's brain activity during love can mimic the effects of a drug high? The release of endorphins and oxytocin creates a natural euphoria, leaving her feeling ecstatic. When women speak, their voices can trigger the release of dopamine in men's brains, showcasing the powerful impact of communication. Confidence in their appearance often leads women to initiate intimacy more frequently, which contributes to a more fulfilling relationship. Men, being more visually stimulated, might be more responsive to visual cues during intimate moments. However, a woman's sense of smell plays a more significant role in attraction, so wearing the right cologne can make a big difference. Women are more likely to feel cold because their bodies prioritize conserving heat for vital organs, leaving their extremities chilly. So, when she says she's freezing, she's not exaggerating. Studies also show that women use both hemispheres of their brains more often than men, who might lean towards either the left or right hemisphere. This could explain why women are often seen as more emotionally in tune. Men are more likely to experience love at first sight, possibly due to their strong visual nature. Women, on the other hand, are generally better at remembering faces, particularly those of other women. If she forgets your face but recalls another woman's, you might have a problem on your hands. Women's voices tend to rise in pitch when they're attracted to someone, and men subconsciously find this more appealing. Men are also more likely to take risks when a woman is watching, driven by an ancient instinct to display dominance. But let's face it, it's also entertaining. Color preferences differ between genders, with women leaning towards warmer hues like red and pink, and men favoring cooler tones like blue and green. So, the next time there's a debate over paint colors, remember, it's all in the psychology. Trust is often built through eye contact, with women being more likely to trust someone who can maintain it. But don't overdo it, or it might come off as creepy. Men are more likely to fall in love quickly, shattering the stereotype of the slow-moving male. When it happens fast. Women are more susceptible to emotional contagion, meaning they can catch the mood of those around them. So if you're in a bad mood, don't be surprised if it affects her too. Men are generally more attracted to women who laugh at their jokes. It's not just about humor. It's also about the ego boost. Women excel at remembering emotional events in detail, while men are more likely to recall the general gist. This is why she might bring up that small detail you forgot. It's hardwired into her memory. The scent of a woman's tears can lower testosterone levels in men, which in turn reduces their sexual arousal. Tears don't just pull at heartstrings, they also have a biological effect. Men are more likely to remember facts and figures, while women excel at recalling conversations. So, in a trivia contest, you know who to call. Women are also more prone to anxiety due to their heightened ability to anticipate future threats, a superpower that's both beneficial and challenging. Did you know men are more likely to engage in competitive behavior when women are around? It's a subconscious way of displaying strength, a modern-day version of peacocking. Women are also more sensitive to sound, which might make them more easily startled by loud noises. This heightened sensitivity is an evolutionary trait designed to protect. Men are often visually distracted by attractive individuals, regardless of their relationship status. It's not necessarily intentional, it's a biological response. Women's skin is more sensitive to touch, which means they can feel more pleasure or pain from the same stimulus compared to men. This sensitivity plays a crucial role in intimacy, making touch an essential part of relationships. Men often experience physical symptoms like sweating or a racing heart when they're nervous around someone they're attracted to, an involuntary response signaling that this person matters. Changes in nipple size or color in women can indicate higher levels of estrogen, which is linked to fertility and reproductive health. These changes can also occur during pregnancy or as a natural variation among women. Women are more likely to associate scents with specific memories, which is why certain smells can instantly transport them to another time and place. Scents are like time machines for the female brain. If you found this video informative, please share it with your friends and family. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you've made it this far, type 100% to let us know you've absorbed the knowledge from this video. For more intriguing topics, make sure to check out the recommended video on your screen right now. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.